The Brojo website is growing by leaps and bounds, and it has an enormous amount of content that we're publishing to it. To help you find that content as efficiently as possible, we've now included a search feature in the footer of every page. Simply go down to the bottom right corner, and you can type in any search term that you want. For example, cortisol. And you'll be able to find topics such as neurotransmitters and hormones and any other references that we've mentioned in relation to it. Likewise, any of our podcasts or articles. For example, I might remember that Dan did a podcast called Seasons of Change, but I don't know how to find it. I can simply type in season, and you can see I've come straight to the podcast. Now, some of the information on the website is public. You can simply click it. Other information such will be members-only content. So once you click the link, you may need to log in for certain content. Other pieces of information, such as our venues, the Tamarama Room, you can see its location and information very quickly, simply by finding the link here. And you can see everything you need to regarding parking and other details. Now, if you happen to use Google Chrome on a desktop, there is a very powerful feature built into Chrome which will allow you to make searching even easier. So let's go back and perform a search in the footer, and you can see this URL at the top is brojo.org/search query equals whatever keyword we've got. Now in the case of Google Chrome, I can copy that link and I can create a new search engine. The way I do that is I go to this rightmost menu. I'm going to go down to Settings. I'm going to scroll down a little bit until I see Search Engine here and Manage Search Engines. Click there, and I see other custom search engines defined here. I'm simply going to add one. I'm going to call it Brojo. I'm going to call the keyword B, and you could use a different keyword if you want, but I will use this quite a bit. So I'm going to make the keyword very simple. I'll show you what that does in a minute. And I want this to have %S where the search term is. So have a look at this screen again. This is what you want to recreate. You can use another keyword like the full word Brojo if you want, but I'll show you how this works. Now I've added the search engine. Now let's go back to the search bar. If I type B space, you can see it says Search Brojo here at the top. And now I can type confidence. And there we go. I can type B space nice guy. Anything I want is just fingertips away.